Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show how to install and run locally the AI model F5-TTS on a Windows with Conda. F5-TTS is a flow matching based text-to-speech synthesis system that generates high-quality speech from text input. The system implements conditional flow matchings, CFMN, with transformer-based architectures to produce natural-sounding speech with voice cloning capabilities.
Step 1. Install Miniconda package. Navigate to Anaconda.com download. Register with Anaconda, if desired. Scroll down past the Anaconda distribution installers and select the 64-bit Windows Miniconda installer. Recommended: verify the integrity of your installer to ensure that it was not corrupted or tampered with during download. Go to your Downloads folder or Home folder if downloaded via CLI and double-click the installer to launch. Click Next, and then agree to Anaconda's Terms of Service, TOS. Select an installation option. Just me, recommended. Select a destination folder to install Miniconda, then click Next. Customize your installation options. Click Install. The installation might take a few minutes to complete. Click Show details to view the packages being installed. Click Next twice, then click Finish to close the installer. To check if Miniconda has been successfully installed, open the Anaconda prompt on Windows and enter the command, Conda v. If successful, you will see the version number displayed, e.g., Conda 2611.
Step 2. Create Conda environment. The first line of the YAML file sets the new environment's name. Open Anaconda prompt, navigate to the folder containing the environment. To create a Conda environment, use the following command in Anaconda prompt: Conda nv create f environment. Well, Conda does not check architecture or dependencies when installing from a spec file. To ensure that the packages work correctly, make sure that the file was created from a working environment and use it on the same architecture, operating system, and platform such as Linux 64 or OS 64. A few minutes later. After the installation finishes, activate the environment using the name defined in the file Conda activate F5-TTS. Step 3. Run CLI Inference. Use F5-TTS to clone a voice by providing a reference WAV file of ref audio, its transcript, and ref text, and the text you want generated gen text, and the model will synthesize new speech in that cloned voice. A few minutes later. The result will be the audio file tests inferred CLI basic WAV.
Some text you want TTS model generate for you.
Step 3. Run the Gradio app web interface. Use the command F5 infer Gradio in your Anaconda prompt to start the local server. The Gradio app is the primary web-based interface for interacting with the F5-TTS model. It provides a user-friendly GUI for speech synthesis without requiring command line knowledge. Upload a reference voice, give reference and generation text, and hear it in the same voice. F5-TTS is a comprehensive text-to-speech framework that provides high-quality speech synthesis using flow matching techniques. With its modular architecture, multiple interfaces, and deployment options, it caters to a wide range of use cases from research and development to production applications. Key processing steps. Text processing: input text is tokenized and processed through text normalization. Audio processing: reference audio is processed to extract voice characteristics. ASR transcription: if no reference text is provided, ASR models transcribe the reference audio. Flow matching: the CFM sample method generates MEL spectrograms using flow matching OD sampling. Torchdific: Odient solves the flow ODE for spectrogram generation. Vocoding: neural vocoder converts MEL spectrograms to audio waveforms. Advanced capabilities: sway sampling inference, time flow step sampling for improved performance. Multi-language support: English, Chinese, and extensible language support. Real-time streaming: socket-based streaming for interactive applications. Voice cloning: single reference audio sample adaptation. Batch processing: efficient batch inference for large-scale applications. F5-TTS code is released under MIT license. The pre-trained models are licensed under the CC BY-NC license due to the training data Amelia, which is in the wild dataset. If your PC does not have a GPU, it will take some time to clone the voice. So please be a little patient. So, this is done. Now, let's hear how it sounds.
This is a local web for F5.
Thanks for watching.